everybody! Hello everybody! From Michelle, Enzo and Bertie. Are you ready for the hello song? Are you ready, Enzo? That means he's ready, doesn't it? He always makes that noise, but he doesn't mean anything by it. Just a bit grumbly, aren't you? Shall we sing with me? 1, 2, 3. Hello, Michelle. Hello, Enzo. Hello, Bertie. It's nice to see you here. Hello, Enzo. Oh, see, I told you, he grumbles all the time. I'm very excited today because I found something in my story and rhyming box that I think is really, really good. Shall I show you? Are you ready? I've got this one. It's a cow, a very happy looking cow. I've got this one. It's a cat with a fiddle. I've got this one. It's a dog. It's not Enzo or Bertie, it's another dog. And I've got this. A dish and a spoon. Can you think what nursery rhyme that these characters might be in? And can you think what's missing? Because something jumps over it. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumps over the... What is it? Over the sun. No, the sun's far too far away. The cow jumped over the moon. Good job. Well, that was not in the box. So I've had to improvise. Improvise means you make something up and just try your hardest. So that's what I've done. And this is what I found. And I'm being very brave now because Bertie is behind me. And this is one of Bertie's favourite things. So can I apologise if Bertie suddenly starts jumping off of the chair when he sees it? Bertie loves these. And this is a special one because you squeeze it. And I will show you something in some of our activity things. I'll show you what to do with a tennis ball like that. Or Bertie's asleep. We're okay. And Enzo's not really that interested, are you, Enzo? Just wants to sniff. This is my moon. Now, I've now only got one hand because Enzo's in this hand. I'm going to try and sing it. Or, oh, Enzo, did you want to go over there? Shall I pop you over there? There we go. Oh, I think he wanted to stay with me. Are you ready? Oh, we've seen it. Can you see Bertie's noticed it? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon, the dish ran away with the spoon. It's not a ball, Bertie, it's the moon. Shall we do it again? Are you ready? Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon, the dish ran away with the spoon. Watch Bertie's face. He might bark because he gets very excited, but watch what Bertie does. He's going to watch where the ball goes. I'm going to go up and down, side to side, and all the way around because Bertie loves a tennis ball. But Bertie, this is preschool's. It's not yours. So I'm going to put it away and hopefully he'll forget all about it and stop being too interested. It's gone now. Say bye-bye, Bertie. Yes, that's not going to work, is it? But we'll give it a go. Now, I'm going to put all of these away because I've got another song to sing to you. And I've been racking my brains. That means I've been thinking and thinking and thinking. And I could have used my concentration ball. That would have helped me, wouldn't it? But I didn't. And I've been thinking I need a song about the sea. Because oh, hello, Ralph. Ralph's come to join us instead now. That's very sweet. I thought, we've got a story about the sea today. I need a song about it. And I've sung most of them. And then I remembered one that I used to do when I was a little girl. And I love this one. It's a sailor went to sea to see what he could see. Can you join in with me? 1, 2, 3. A sailor went to sea to... Oh, I've got it wrong already, haven't I? You see, it's such a tricky one. Bertie's putting me off because he's sniffing. Bertie, you're breaking my concentration. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Gosh, I did it. Not very well. Let's try it again. Oh, help me this time. It's so tricky. Thank you, Bertie. Sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. It's tricky, isn't it? I don't think Bertie's going to give up. He wants his ball. It's not even his. I can't give it to him, can I? It's not yours, Bertie. It's not yours. Do you know what? You need to make a wish and see if you can wish for a ball to appear. Just like this. Look. I love this story. Does anyone know what it's called? Shall I read it? It's called The Fish Who Could Wish. And this fish didn't just wish for a ball. He wished for enormous things, Bertie. Massive things. Shall we have a look at the words and find out what a big imagination and what lots of wishes, Bertie, you can't have it, what lots of wishes this fish had. Bertie, oh, he's going to be very troublesome, isn't he? Not like you, Ralph, you're being a good boy today. Are you ready? Oh dear, that didn't sound very good, did it? I've opened the first page. Let's see if we can find them. Look, we're under the sea. Can you see? Wow, it's quite deep, like the deep blue sea, isn't it? Can you see something at the very bottom of the deep blue sea? I can see a shipwreck. It's a very old-fashioned ship that, thank you, Bertie, that would have had sails. It's an old sail ship, isn't it? It's amazing. And look at all those fish. But I think the fish you can wish is this rather splendid one over here. I'm going to read the words, and I like this story because this story is a rhyming story. I like rhyming stories. In the deep blue sea, in the deep of the blue, swam a fish who could wish, and each wish who would come true. Oh, the fun that he had, oh, the things he would do, just wishing away in the deep water blue. Bertie's got a ball now, and now he wants us to throw it for him, so he might start barking. I wonder what he's going to wish for. Can you see? He's got lots of bubbles coming out. Maybe they're his thinking bubbles, like we've got a thinking ball. Maybe he's got thinking bubbles. Should we have a count? He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blue bubbles. That's a lot of thoughts, isn't it? 11. Wow, he wished for a castle. Isn't that a magnificent and very grand castle? Ralph, what do you think of that castle? Would you like to live there? You could have so many rooms you could run around in. And look at the tall turrety towers with the pointy roofs. That is very beautiful. Wow, but imagine all that cleaning. Oh, so much dusting and hoovering. I think I'd rather not. Thank you, Bertie. No, you're not having the ball. Oh, he's not going to give in today, is he? He wished for a... Yes, car. Wow, it's a fast yellow sports car going zoom off the page. Wow. Oh, we were right. They are his thinking bubbles. This time he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. He's zooming through the sea. And even underground, they've got signs. And can you see the sign? It's got a fish in it with a line. If you see a round sign with a line, Bertie, you can't have the ball. It means no fish, because there's a fish inside it. He wished for a horse and a Spanish guitar, and he rode through the ocean singing, "Oh, Sola Mio," backed by a group called the Hermit Crab Trio. Where are the Hermit Crab Trio? Can you find them? Yeah, here they are. Hermit crabs live in somebody else's shell, don't they? They don't necessarily live in their own. They go and find which ones they can. A tiny, tiny, incy-wincy one, a middle-sized one, and a big one. That is fantastic. Oh, the hermit crab trio. I've never heard of that before. I'm going to have to stop for a minute and come back because Bertie is not going to be quiet. A good boy and he sleeps pretty well, don't you? But this time you've been a bit of a cheeky chappy. Now, can I carry on with my story, please? I don't know. Okay, are you ready? Because this one's one of my favourite pages. Once, when he wished he could go out and ski, it snowed for a week under the sea. Look at that. Snow under the sea. And do you know what? I said it was a rhyming story. And look, I can hear two words that rhyme. I'm going to say them to you and see if you can think of another one. It's ski and sea. Ski and sea. Ski and sea. Tea. Oh, think of another one. Ski, tea, sea. Pea. I like peas. Do you like eating peas with sweet corn? Oh, yes, that's yummy. Oh, that's a good one. We'll have to see if we can think of another one in a minute. Even got a snowman. Can you see? With a snorkel. I think his snorkel really is a big carrot, but it looks a bit like a snorkel. Oh, no, it's there, look. All the way to the top. Very exciting. But I'm sure those fish weren't that keen. And he's gone whoosh all the way to the top. Fantastic. He wished he could fly, and to his delight, he flew twice round the world in exactly one night. So can you hear any rhyming words then? He wished he could fly, and to his delight, he flew twice round the world in exactly one night. Bertie's coughing now. I think it's delight and night. Delight, night. Right, well done. Look, there's the world. Can you see it? And if you look really carefully, we're supposed to be somewhere about there. And we live in the United Kingdom, just at the top there. I think it's night time for us though, because it's all dark this side, because the sun's shining on that side, isn't it? Can you see he's first gone round that way and then zoomed round that way? And do you know what any of these are called? They're called satellites. That's how you get to watch your television, and that's how people get to have phone calls and things, I think. Isn't that exciting? And they stay up in the sky all the time, those satellites. It's very clever, isn't it, Bertie? If sharks came a-hunting for a nice fishy treat, he'd quickly just wish that he was too small to eat. Oh, whoa, look at those sharp teeth. Wow, they are very pointy, aren't they? But he's too small to eat. There's no point chasing him, is there? Oh, that's a turn up for the books. And to teach the sharks a lesson, do you know what he'd wish? That he was a shark and they were the fish. Oh my goodness, now he's enormous. Oh dear. Oh, fish and wish. Fish and wish. Oh, this rhyming's very good. Oh, these look exciting. Can you name any of these shapes? Wow. He'd wish himself square or round like a biscuit. Triangular, it's a triangle. Or, oh, this is a tricky one. Do you know what this is like? A squashed circle. It's called an oval. You name it, he wished it. There's two more unusual shapes at the end there. Do you know what they might be? Oh, Bertie's calling from a distance. He says, I don't know. This one's like an arrow shape, isn't it? And this one is like a star. He wished for fine suits and handsome silk ties, but the one thing he never wished was to be wise. What's wise mean? Let me have a think. What do you think wise might mean? I think I might have worked it out. With your help, thank you so much for telling me and calling out at me. Wise means to be really clever and to have good ideas and to think good, clever thoughts. But he never wished for that. Wonder why that's a problem. Because look, he's wished for lots of suits. They're very special, aren't they? He looks very dapper, don't you think? And look at that hat. He looks like he should start doing some tap dancing. Oh, look, it's all still there. He's got his horse and his castle and his car. And one day, just for fun, that silly old fish wished the silliest wish he could wish. What do you think would be the silliest wish he could wish for? Give up. I don't know. I'm going to have to read the words. The silly old fish wished he could be just like the other fish there in the sea. But wishing was something other fish could not do. So that was the very last wish that came true. He wanted to be like everybody else and not be all unique and be able to wish. And look, he's just like the rest of the fish. And a big group of fish are called a shoal. So he's just like the shoal of fish. He's still very glorious and beautiful. But wouldn't it have been good if he could carry on with his wish? The fish who could wish. I wonder if you can think of lots more rhyming words. You could have hat and mat. Hat, mat, bat. Hat, mat, bat. Hat, mat, bat. Cat! Hat, mat, bat, cat. Hat, mat, bat, cat. Rat! Well done! You are so good. Keep thinking of words that you could rhyme together. And sometimes you can make a whole new word up, but it sounds the same at the end. See if you can make it on that rhymes. Now let's have a look. Any more words? No more words. That means it must be the end. And that's the end of our story and of our story and singing time. I'm sorry that Bertie was a bit naughty today. He wasn't listening to Spot's rules at all, was he? But he's calmed down now. It's time to say goodbye. Have you brought your watches? Are you going to sing with me? So I'm not singing on my own, please. I want people to join in with me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye to all our friends. Singing I, yippee, yippee, I, yee-haw! Singing I, yippee, yippee, I, woo-hoo! Singing I, yippee, I, yippee, I, yippee, yippee, I, go!